The Truth About Aliens, Elon Musk 2022. Greetings everyone, nice to meet you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dash and I come from a planet called PC-51. My people are carbon neutral, non-binary, vegan atheists. Over time we lost our teeth, hair, and most recently our sense of humor. Don't fear, it's just me mumbling this, but a few years in the future, maybe you could hear someone saying this in real life. Wait, did I say that aliens exist? Well no, they may or may not exist, and I don't know much about them. But maybe Elon Musk has something on them because he has a keen interest in deep space and extraterrestrial life. Well, do you want to know more about it? Stay tuned till the video. Welcome to Elon Musk Tube. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on SpaceX, Tesla, Starship, or anything related to the multi-talented, influential tech icon and billionaire Elon Musk. Elon Musk, who might be a superhuman or sometimes called an alien by some of his followers, always thinks about obtaining things that are beyond our imagination. Musk also has an agenda of colonizing Mars and then other planets. He also guesses that there might be an existence outside Earth that we don't know of. SpaceX CEO Elon Musk has lately reflected his viewpoint about alien sightings in the past couple of decades, imitating the quality of videos getting worse by every passing year despite the availability of decent cameras. Elon Musk, who is recognized for his passion for interplanetary missions, took to Twitter on March 23rd, where he posted a graph correlating how camera resolution has gradually become better over time, while the footage quality of UFO sightings has continued to stay constant. Elon Musk also spoke at the World Government Summit in Dubai to answer questions about the future of artificial intelligence, self-driving cars, interstellar travel, and everything else the technology industry is obsessing over these days. Commonly, the CEO of SpaceX was dragged into a small discussion about the likelihood of extraterrestrial life, and he expressed a sentiment that when it comes to aliens, maybe they're among us. The interviewer also questioned Musk that one view is artificial intelligence will end humanity, but there is another school of thought that artificial intelligence will benefit humanity. Which one is it? I think it's both, Musk responded. He likened the idea of a digital superintelligence, which Musk thinks may occur within the next 10 to 20 years, to being visited by superintelligent aliens, and digital superintelligence will be like living with aliens on Earth in 10 years. Musk was also asked whether he believed in the presence of life outside of Earth, to which Musk answered that it was apparent. A Twitter user with the account called Tesla Owners of Silicon Valley on one Sunday morning asked the Tesla and SpaceX chief whether he is an alien. This is starting to get fascinating now. I think this is one of the great questions in physics and philosophy, Musk replied. Where are the aliens? Maybe they are among us. I don't know. Some people think I'm an alien. I'm not, but of course I'd say that, wouldn't I? Well, this is not the first time that Musk has spoken about aliens while replying to questions on Twitter. Elon Musk may end up running 4+ companies with capital of $500 billion each, simultaneously at a fairly young age. What I really want to understand: how does he do it? How does he manage context switching? How does he design his org? So many questions, asked Kunal Shah, Indian entrepreneur and founder of credit payments app Cred, in a tweet to Musk earlier this year. Musk answered, "I'm an alien." The SpaceX chief also seeks to send 1 million people to Mars by 2050. He has also disclosed plans on fulfilling the daunting task of colonizing the red planet and making human beings multiplanetary. That is precisely what Musk has in mind for humans, given SpaceX's absolute intention of turning the human race into an interplanetary species. We're all going to die someday, Musk told the audience, and if you're going to pick some place to die, then why not Mars? If we are born on Earth, why not die on Mars? Looks like maybe it'd be quite exciting, Musk added. Musk has been interrogated about aliens a lot of times. He was also asked by Joe Rogan about life beyond Earth, to which Musk replied, "To the best of my knowledge, there is no direct evidence of alien life on Earth." Although Rogan was expecting Musk would know, or at least give him a hint at the existence of these cosmos beings, but Elon only responded by shaking his head, saying, "No. We may not have found life outside of Earth just yet, but if it exists, Elon Musk believes there are 2 likely spots for it." Musk said that Jupiter's moon Europa or under the surface of Mars are the 2 most likely spots. "Doesn't seem to be any life in this solar system," Musk tweeted, "maybe under the ice of Europa or extremophile bacteria below the surface of Mars." Also during an event, Musk said that if there were some type of life form on Mars, that life form would likely exist very far below the planet's surface and would be extremely resilient, since it would have had to adapt to the harsh conditions of the planet. In 2018, research from the Future of Humanity Institute at Oxford University implied that humanity is alone in the noticeable universe. At the time, the study caught Musk's attention, who continued to push for extending life beyond Earth. In August 2019, NASA confirmed it would launch a mission to Europa, a trek that could answer whether the icy celestial body could be habitable for humans and support life. The Europa Clipper, which could launch as soon as 2023 but has a baseline commitment of a launch readiness date by 2025, will have a mass spectrometer on the craft, used to specify the mass of ions in an atom. Musk occasionally finds himself ruminating on the possible existence of intelligent extraterrestrial life. People often ask me, he said, "What do you know about the aliens?" And I'm like, man, I tell you, pretty sure I'd know if there were aliens. I've not seen any sign of aliens. There is also no sign of aliens at Area 51, according to Elon Musk, or so he claims. As far as we know, we're the only consciousness or the only life that's out there, Musk said. There might be other life, but we've seen no signs of it. However, in the World Government Summit in Dubai, Musk asserted that, "I hope I'm wrong," reacting to a person in the crowd who, in a joking tone, said that they didn't believe what he said about having an alien presence. "If they are here, I hope they're nice. You know, they haven't killed us yet, so they must not be that bad." Now, Musk is not an astrobiologist, nor does he research in another field advancing the search for extraterrestrial life. So I'm not sure that the idea that if anyone has information about aliens, it's Elon Musk. Still, he resides as a powerful figure in the spaceflight industry. So if Elon Musk appears confident about their existence, did they ever come to visit us? Well, is the military hiding aliens in Area 51 or something? That's a popular meme you all know. But Musk has his way to tease them. He said, "Let me tell you, the fastest way to increase defense funding would be to bring out like, hey, we found an alien. More money for defense, definitely." But jokes apart, do aliens exist in the real world? There are many opposing arguments in the world of science where professionals do and don't believe that life could exist outside Earth. Some suggest that life could be a possibility on other planets, but in the structure of microbes and other microscopic organisms. There is no definitive evidence yet to prove the existence of life beyond Earth, and therefore the scientific community ignores the phenomenon of unidentified objects. But maybe, as Elon Musk says, we may feel their presence in the next 10 or 20 years. But apart from our expectations and thoughts, what do you think about aliens? Do you think they are real or just a misconception? Let us know in the comments below. And most importantly, if you want to be updated on every single topic related to Elon Musk, then you should consider subscribing to the channel and pressing the bell icon. See you in the next one. Until then, peace.